I'm definitely not the most organized person on the planet. I'm definitely not the least either. I would say I'm just above average in organization. I'm also not a hoarder. I've got my first pair of toe shoes from grade school. I've got bolts of fabric from a costume that I never actually made, and then was in a hurry. Probably had to bring one of the boys to an appointment like I have to do today. Hashtag mompreneur. I'm Coco Cabral. Welcome to Coco's Flame Zone, where I help you to train, transform, and triumph in all areas of life. I'm getting ready for my interview of Kat Reichmuth. She is an organizer, and she helps people to organize things like, let's say, their shoes in their closet or their home office. And what she's going to help me organize when we do the interview is this bed. Now, Coco, why would you have somebody help you organize your bed? Just make your bed. This is just a bed that my husband and I got from IKEA. And it is a storage bed. What we store inside this bed, underneath this mattress, are all of our flamenco costumes and classical Spanish dance costumes and regional Spanish dance costumes that we have accumulated over the years of performing. My husband and I are actually dance partners. We met in a dance company in Chicago and then had our own dance company for a while. And, over all those years of performing and traveling and all that, collected and made a lot of costumes, because I also happen to be a seamstress. Flamenco costumes are really big. We got this bed so that we would have a designated place to store our costumes that would be separate from our regular clothes, and also would allow us to have the costumes lying flat to protect the fibers from stretching on a hanger. So, it's kind of organized. I don't know. I'm gonna do the reveal in a moment. My costumes are kind of on this side, and then his costume, he doesn't get as much space as I do. His costumes are kind of shoved up there. We knew how to find things, right? They were kind of just like in nice layers, and things were findable. Recently, with my YouTube channel, for some of my videos, I've been doing like a lot of costume changes so that I can record, like a clip super fast and then do the change, and then record a clip super fast and then do another change, and right, that kind of thing. And then I would have a pile of costumes on the floor, and then it's like, and then I would have to go, have an appointment with the boys or something, and I would have to just sort of toss the costumes back in the bed and figure, I'll deal with it later, right? And then I never dealt with it later. I reached out to Kat, and she agreed to do this interview with a demo. Oh my gosh, doing the reveal, coming here literally behind the scenes into our bedroom and into this storage bed. Let's take a look. So I'm at the foot of the bed, and there's a little strap in here, and then that you pull, and then you pull up on this like metal thing. And there's the reveal of, oh dear, I told you. There's a lot of fringe involved, so lots of potential for tangling. Not the first time that would have happened. I usually just don't even look at his stuff. But I do know that he has a blend of flamenco costumes, classical Spanish dance costumes, regional Spanish dance costumes, and random shit that is stuff that he's accumulated because he's also a SAG actor. And so he kind of accumulates, maybe from secondhand stores or something, things that are usable for costuming when he has to bring his own costume to set. There's like a crappy stethoscope. I see some random hangers. I see like a chef thing. I know there are scrubs in there. I see a trench coat. Oh my gosh. Cat, help. If you want to see that episode and watch a professional organizer, Cat Reichmuth, help me to make it like I own a business. Click that little bell next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video, including when that interview and demo goes live. So with that, I'm going to give you a quick mwah, and I will see you then.